Hi, I'm going to making the red bean pudding today. So I have about 1 cup of rice flour. The rice flour package look like that. And also I have 1/4 cup of wheat flour, and that is the package look like this. And I got 1 3/4 cup of water, 1 3 cup of brown sugar, and I'm using the 1 teaspoon about the almond extract. And also I got the red beans like this, and the bottle look like that. And also you can make it cook that by yourself. All you do is just cook it for 45 minutes, and they're gonna be eternal like that. And first, before I start, I using the cupcake pan like this. Before I start, I need to brush the oil in it. And I'm going to steam that first before I put the batter in it. So I'm going to steam it first. So first of all, I'm going to put all the flour, the rice flour and wheat flour together. Okay, this is 1 3/4 cup of water. So using about 1/3 of water to mix the batter first. Okay, that looks good. You turn it like this, and I'm going to leave it first. Then I use the rest of the water and put the sugar in it and put the water in it and cook that. And you cook that until you see the sugar all melted. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to put all the water into the bowl like this one. And I put all the sugar water in it. Then I'm going to put it in here. Okay, after I pour it in, then I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of almond extract in it. Then you mix it well. Okay, then I'm going to steam it right now. Then each one, I'm going to put some the beans in it. Okay, then I'm going to put some in it. Put about halfway. Okay, then I'm going to cover it. I'm going to steam for 15 minutes. And I'll be right back after 15 minutes. Okay, this is after 15 minutes, so I'm going to remove it. They all done. Turn off the heat. So I'm going to remove it. So I'm using a toothpick. I just go around it. The better way is wait for a few minutes before you remove it, but I'm gonna do it right now and show you how to do it. See, the beans will be in the bottom like this. So I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, that's what I make today, the wet bean pudding.